Did this wig seriously come like this? Look at these curls straight out of the pack. And baby, she's got some ounce to the bounce. So big thank you to RPG Hair for sending out this beauty. And I hope this is another winner chicken dinner, baby. Beauty, baby. And we are going to be judge, jury, and executioner on some RPG hair. Ow. This is their big wavy HD lace pre-plucked 13x4 lace frontal wig in 20 inches, 200% density, baby. Get into it. The lace is a little on the thick side, RPG hair. I don't think it'll be a problem to work with. And I do sense that we are going to have to go heavy with the powder. No big deal. This is in a preset middle part, so we are going to keep it like that. And I think this is really going to be a super duper beginner friendly type of unit.
It's VQ.
In the prime, them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2.
Oh, taking that beautiful curl footage. I did go through and hand pick, separate all of the curls in this unit to get a nice full voluminous look. Now this did take some time, but the payoff is gonna be worth it, baby.
She a good figure. Man figure, me no run figure. One nigga say really one figure. Now me and Nancy. Good figure, she a good figure. Man figure, me no run figure. One nigga say really one nigga. On me emergency. One time me no never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never can time. One time. I never waste time, them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls, them go down. Ooh-wee. Bad man run the show now. Oh yeah. See these girls, them go down. Ooh-wee. And a bad man run the show. She a good figure. One figure, me no run figure. One nigga say really one figure. Now me and Nancy. Good figure, she a good figure. Man figure, me no run figure. One nigga say really one figure. On me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Budsy, baby. VQ, mix and mix it. Yeah, like that.
Kiss me in the morning, yeah. Baby, I'll say whatever comes to mind. Because listen, this, I don't know what else to say about this pre-styled, pre-curled, beginner-friendly unit by RPG Hair. Styled right out of the box. This does come in a middle part. I've done a couple of middle parts on this channel consecutively, back to back, you know what I'm saying? So I went back to my roots, baby, and we did a nice deep side part. hello. Usually with these 13x6, 13x5 units, you know, the parting cuts really short on the sides. It's always been kind of a little contention area for me. But this go around, I was actually able to go in and baby, check out them acres, okay? Because she is giving. So definitely appreciate that. This is ear-to-ear lace. However, not a lot of coverage on the ear tabs or the sideburn area. So I did show you guys how to finesse that. And I absolutely did not cut anything out of this hairline for any of these swoopity swoops, okay? So this right here is all wig. This is me right here. And then I was able to just kind of push these hairs into the hairline and into the lace just to give it a really natural vibe, and it still came together really good. So I would prefer just a little bit more acreage on the sides, and we got a deal. RPG hair. This hair took to heat really good. Now this does come pre-curled. Naturally, after I picked out the curls, it did frizz up a little bit, and I don't mind that. Kind of gives a lived in, really natural, effortless type of look. So when it has like some frizz here and there, it's like the bells and whistles of a wig for me. So this go around, I did go in with my hot comb to flatten out the crown. Now I did notice my hot comb was set to about 420, and this wig was like, I know you lying. I don't know what kind of heat you think you gonna apply here, but around these parts we cool on 380. So that's what I stuck with. I did notice that a couple of the hairs, they start to get a little singy, a little white. We don't want that. So I did go in also with my wand curler just to fix some of those frizzy curls, and that was set to about the same 350, 380. I left the wand curl in the hair for about 10 seconds, released it, and bam, the curls popped immediately, and they are still holding up. You can see right here, these are some of the curls, especially these three right here. This is what I curled in the front, and they're still holding up. Now, considering that this is pre-curled out of the box and the curls are like tightly coiled, I am very confident if I was a beginner, I would gently put this back in the box, let the curls bunch up on themselves. You know what I'm saying? Just leave it in the box, and then you could take it out as needed. Do a real gentle shake, and you're still going to have a somewhat nice, presentable, almost frizz-free type of look. So of course you're going to have to go through, you know, and just curl as needed, but that's not a big deal. Now there was one thing that was throwing this unit off, and I couldn't really put my finger on it, and you know what it is? This is a black colored unit. I am so used to the natural hair color where it has kind of that off brown, and this is a really deep, rich black. It threw me off for a minute. I wasn't feeling it, but this is so natural, y'all. This is way more natural than those natural hair color units that we are used to. Final word, this is a very voluminous wig, stretched out. Don't quote me on this, but the hair is reaching to my bra strap, like the bottom of my bra. So give or take about 20, 22 inches stretched out. You could comb these out, you could brush out the curls, you could straighten it, and you still got a nice, beautiful look. So I am sold. She's winner, chicken dinner. I'ma be where I'ma be at. Ow. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by RPG Hair, definitely click in the description box down below for all the details, including a direct link to their website as well. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Click the bell for all post notifications. Drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Original Batman. One time. He's buds, baby. VQs. Mix and mix it.